Welcome to another short tutorial from me where I will show you the best editing and export settings for your TikTok videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start right now. If you want to edit and export your clip later for TikTok, the first thing you have to do is to change the frame size of the sequence settings. So therefore go to Sequence here on top, click on Sequence Settings. And as you can see, your frame size is in Full HD and you have to change these positions. So the frame size from 1080 to 1920 vertical. Ignore this message and click on OK. And now, as you can see, you have this mobile format. To edit your file, go here to the effect controls and scale the picture up to something like this. And for sure, you can change the position to bring something here in the focus. In this case here, this woman in the mirror. Okay, awesome. Then set an in and an out point. And export your file for TikTok. Therefore go to File, Export Media, or hit Command M for a shortcut. Make sure that the format is H.264, match source high bitrate is okay. Here you can change your output name and your location where you want to save your file. I'm always checking on render at maximum depth and make sure that your file size here is not larger than 300 MB. This is a recommendation from TikTok. Yeah, you can leave all the settings like that, but make sure that you set a marker here at use maximum render quality, so you will get the best results. Now you can export your video. And after you export, you are ready to upload your file to TikTok. There are different ways to upload your video. If your video is small enough, you can send it right to your mobile phone via Bluetooth, or you can upload your file to a Dropbox and download it direct on your smartphone to upload your final video via the TikTok app, or you can go on the desktop version of TikTok and upload your video right there. And if you like my short tutorials, make sure to watch another video from me where I show you how you can recreate an Instagram look in Adobe Premiere Pro.